एरर करेक्शन वगैरह और कुछ। Hello everyone, we have to discuss about that UPSC interview guidelines and interview questions. Another is new interview titan rules for the appointment states and police chiefs. The Union Public Service Commission (UPSC) had amended the guidelines as per the Supreme Court directive emphasizing specific criteria regarding the appointment of the Director General of Police (DGP) and for the state and DGP is the three-star rank and police officers and is the head of the state police forces. Police and public order. Police and public order state subjected and under the 7 schedules. Need to amendment. Need for amendment avoid the favoritism and to the discourages and the state and from appointed they are the favorites officers and who are on the base of retirement in other bid to the extended their tenure. Put a check on bypassing process. Several states and including BJP and ruled state and choosing to appoint acting DGP instead of regulars DGPs by passing the requirement to go and there through the UPSC selected panels of need for the appointment avoid favoritism and to discuss statements from the appointing where the favorite officers and who are on the verge of the retirement in other bid to extended their tenure. Put a check on bypassing process on several states including the BJP rules. State choosing to appoint acting the DGPs and instead of the regular DGPs and bypassing the requirement to go through. Put a check on bypassing process. Several states including the BJP rule state and choosing the appoint acting the DGP instead of the regular DGPs and bypassing the requirement to go through the UPSC selected panels of eligible officer states such as the Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana level have all appointed in charge DGPs or DGPs and with full additions charges. Ensure transparency and efficiency in the appointment process of the state DGP key amended. Service tenure. Only police officers will aid the list and 6 months of the services left before the retirement will be considered for appointing as the Director General of Police and DGP of the state and the intentions behind this action is to discourage the practices of granting intentions to officers who are on the brink of the retirement due to personal favoritism and thereby the fostering and impartial selections. Earlier in various states and DGPs on the verge of retirement were appointed, and in some cases acting DGPs and were appointed to circumvent the UPSC selection process. Officer on central deputations and impanelment committee constituted by the UPSC will not assess Indian Public Service IPS officer on central deputations for other state DGP post if the Union Ministry of Home Affairs is unable to relieve them. Relaxation in equality criteria, and officers with 25 years of experience could be appointed as a DGP against the year requirement of the minimum 13 years of service. This modifications extended the range of expert qualified candidates or shortlisted candidates. The number of shortlisted officers cannot exceed there, but there may be less than officer 3 officers is exceptional circumstances. Also, officers should be living to be the included in the panel. Outline area of expertise. IPS officers to be considered for the DGP post should have the minimum of 10 years of experience in law and orders, crime branch, economic offense beings or the intelligence beings, and as well as the deputations to central bodies like the Intelligence Bureau (IB), Research and Analysis (RAW). SC guidelines for appointing the DGP. 2006 guideline in Prakash Singh case and 2080 guidelines selections. DGP of the state to be selected by the state government from the amongst and 3 seniors most officers of the department recommended by the UPSC. Tenures. The selected officer should have the minimum tenure of at least 2 years irrespective of his date of superannuation. Removal. The state government in consultations with the state security commissions can remove the DGPs from his office because of any actions and taken against him under the All India Services Discipline and Appeals rule or following his convenience. His convictions in other court of law, in other criminal offence, or in other case of corruptions, or if he is otherwise incapacitated and from the discharging his duties. 2018 guidelines 2018 guidelines. No favoritism, and the state government cannot appointed there the favorite police officers and shootings there the political choice. As the acting DGP, the concept of an acting DGP was not other part of 2006 judgment. Intimations to UPSC to prevent the favoritism. SC the directed all the state and to send the proposals to the UPSC at least the 3 month and prior to the date of retirement of the DGP. No extensions. It must be the ensured that if the DGP continued in office and post his date of the superannuations and it is not beyond other reasonable period. Extra mile Indian police reforms and Supreme Court guidelines on police reforms, and in other landmark judgment in the Prakash Singh Wells and Union of India 2006 case, the SC directly all state and union territories to bring in police reforms and issues a list of the measures and to be undertaken by the state government to allow the police to do its work without any political interference. Suggested measures on several point directive and DGP selections. DGP selection and selecting the DGPs and from among 3 seniors most officers of the department and impaneled for the promotions to that marks and by the UPSC, and once selected provide him a minimum tenure of 8 list and 2 years irrespective of his date of superannuation. mixing tenure to ensure no political interference. A minimum tenure was shot and for the Inspector General's office, police and IGP, and to put other check on mid-term transfer by the politician. Police Establishment Board and PEB to be set up and at the state level for the inter areas deciding all the transfers, postings and promotions and there's the services related matters of officers of and below the ranks of deputy superintendent of police, DYSP, and make recommendation on posting and transferred above the rank of the deputy superintendent of police, police complaint authority PCA, to be constituted at the state and district level for looking into complaint against police officers, separating investigation and law and orders functions for improving its working and increasing the efficiency. This should start with town urban areas and having other populations of 10 lakes or more and the gradually extending to smaller town urban areas. Also state security commission SSC and to be set up and with the members from civil service, civil society, national security commissions NSC, to be set up at the union level by the central government to prepare a panel for beings and placed before the appreciated appointing authority for the selections and placement of chief of the central police organization CPOS and the selected chief to be giving other minimum tenures of 2 years and with the additional mandate to review from the time to time and measures to upgraded and the effectiveness of those forces, improve the service provide conditions of its the personnel, ensure that there is proposal coordinator between them and that the forces are the generally utilized and for the purposes they are raised and make recommendations in that behalf. The Bureau of Police Research and Development BPRD and BPRD was established in 1970 under Ministry of the Home Affairs to modernize and the police forces of India and the DBD. BPRD released the Police Research and Advisory Council established in 1966 and BP R&D objectives and includes the identified the need of the police researching and studies problems, suggesting way to the outcomes and problems, modernizing and police forces, crime and criminal taking network and system. CCTNS is a mission mode project and approved in 2009 under the National E-Governance Plans and NEGPN of the Ministry of the Home Affairs. It is aims to creating as a comprehensive and the integrated system for enhancing the efficiency and effective policing at all the level and the especially and at the police stations levels through the adaptations of principles of e-governance. The scope of CCTNS and spans all 35 states and union territories and cover all police station and 15,000 plus in number and all higher police offices and 6,000 and plus in numbers in the countries. And in 2015 an extra goals was incorporated into the project and which aims to the established a foundationals and platforms for and the interoperable criminal justice system ICJS phase 2 and as the rate 3,500 crores project is said to be the complete by the 2026 and with the increased use of the artificial intelligence, fingerprinting system and other tools and of predictive policies and smart pollings. The concept was introduced by the Prime Minister during the 49th Annual Conference of the Director Generals and in Inspectors Generals of Police in Guwahati in 2014. The terms smart and standard and for the S sensitives and the strict and modern with the mobility alert and the accountables and are the reliable and responsive trained and the technology savvy. Previous commission set up to the examine police reforms. National Police Commission 1977 and 82 and chair Mr. the Dharma Veera and Rivero Committee in 1998 and Padma Vibhushan's Committee on the Restructuring of Police 2000, Mali Math and Community on the Reforms. on reforms in the criminal justice system 2002 and 2003 and Standing Committee on Home Affairs 2022 and Chair Mr. Anand Sharma. AMBIS case study of Maharashtra Police. The automated multimodal biometrics and identification system AMBIS and is other system used by the Maharashtra Police to store data from the fingers and palms and print face and the iris and to aid police investigations. The system is used to collect the data from the convict or the pupils and arrested for any the offense. The system aims to create and the instant criminal database. AMDs with the facials and recognition technology feature is an updated version of the automated fingerprinting identification system AFIS, which has been and used by Indian law enforcement agencies to search fingers and palm prints. Other state and police forces in India and expected to the replicated the system. Broadcasting Services and Regulations Bills 2023. Broadcasting Regulation Bill 2023 and Ministry of the Information and Broadcasting recently released other draft of the Broadcasting Services Regulation Bill 2023 are invited feedback and the comments on the same from the variety of the stakeholder and including Ministry of the Information and Broadcasting and recently released a draft of the Broadcasting and Services Regulating Bills. आदि तो ने जैसे ही जलन होता है कि जब पढ़ाई का About the Broadcasting Services Regulation Bill 2023 and About the Broadcasting Services and Regulation Bill 2023. अबे वो खाना खा रहा हो, अबे बाहर जाओ, अबे खाना खा रहा हो वो नहीं खाना, भाई नहीं बुलाओ अंदर काय रे यस कितने अभी बाहर जाओ, अभी तेरा भाई नहीं है तो बाहर खेल लो. The I'm bill to the regulate and the broadcasting services I'm to the तुम भी तो पढ़ के आ जाओ करो क्यों मोड़ा. The bill aims to the regulate and broadcasting services aim to the consolidated the legal frameworks and for the broadcasting sectors and replace the cables and televisions and network and regulating act 1995 and other policy guidelines and currently the governing the broadcasting sectors in the country and the bill. तो पढ़ा रही मैं नहीं पढ़ा रही, वही पढ़ा. Broadcasting Services Regulation Bill 2023. The Ministry of the Information and Broadcasting recently released a draft of Broadcasting Services and Regulation Bill and 2023 are initiative feedbacks and the committee and the comments and on the same from the varieties of stakeholder and including the domain expert broadcasting services provided and public. About the Broadcasting Service Regulations Bill 2023 and what the aims. The bill aims to regulate broadcasting services aim to the consolidate the legal framework for the broadcasting sectors. And replace great. For the broadcasting sector and replace the cables and television networks and regulated act 1995 under the policy and guidelines is currently governing the broadcasting sector in the country and the bill 6 and to the experts the regulatory framework to include the over-the-top OTT and the contact digital news and TV, the channels and FM radio, which are currently regulated through the Information Technology Act 2000. The Cable Television Network Regulation Act of 1995 has been serving as the primary legislatives overseeing the contact on the linear broadcasting, including the cables network for the last 3 decades and the bills and provided the comprehensively definition from the contemporary broadcasting terms and along with others important technical terms and to be the defined in the status for the first need to bring other single law and for the different broadcasting services and such as the direct to home and DTF internet based services like the IPTV OTT platform like the Netflix, Amazon Prime and etc. as they are all the beings regulated and by the different guidelines and frameworks and drawing the powers from the Indian Telegraph Act in 1885 and the cables and the television network and regulations and Act 1995 and or others the relevant laws and streamlines the regulators and frameworks and which will the brings and clarity consistency and the flexibility to the regulations and while the strengthens and consumers protection and promoting ease of the doing business and it will the create other legal legal playing field and foster investment in innovation adapt to emerging the trades and safeguard consumers interested supply and compliances and encourages growth and competition key provisions regulation of various types of the broadcasting services and it is focus on the regulation of the broadcasting and cable and the satellite broadcasting network and radio broadcasting network and internet and broadcasting network and terrestrial broadcasting network. It is the authorized and the central government to regulate the services closely connected to the broadcasting network and broadcasting services and thus the regulations encompass and eligibility criteria terms and condition and fees compulsory registration for the broadcastings. It prohibits either person and for the providing the broadcasting services or operating other broadcasting network without proper registration or any intimations and certain entities and like the government department and political parties and the public authority are not eligible for registrations and expected for the authorizing entire like the prasar bharati or the channels operated and by the parliament compliance and with rules. It mandated the broadcaster and the network operations to the transmit programs and compliances with the specified and terms and condition while the adherence and to the programs code and the advertisement code. They are also expected to comply with the government order and directors to the classified their the programs into the different categories based on the factor like the contact them and the target audience along with the relevant ratings and this scripters and broadcasting are the required to implemented access control measures and for the programs and that are the classified appropriated and for the restricted and viewing adult contact to ensure that only the intended audience and can access and such the contact district magistrate and sub the divisionals and magistrates and political and police and commissioners and are the authorized and officers to ensure that the programs and code is not and the breaches and they will have the powers to prohibit transmissions of certain programs in the police internet and if it's the promotes and the disharmony or feelings of the enmity hatred or ill will and between the different religious racial and linguistic or regional groups or the caste or communities accessibility for persons with the disabilities and by the including features and like the aiding subtitles and audio descriptions and for the blinds and sign and language translations and using the accessible applications contact evaluations and community CEC and for the authorians and to promote programs code and the advertisement code to be established by every broadcasters or the broadcasting network and operators with members from various social groups and including the women's and child welfares, scheduled casted and the scheduled tribes and monitors. monitors and other as the specifies and disclose the CEC and members information on their the website program certified by the CEC and can only be the armed, hired and expert for the specific programs exempted by the government, and thus the provision will come into the effect 180 days and after the act. Enforcement self-regulation organization SRO are the bodies informed by the broadcasters and network operators or their the associations and responsibles and for the addressing and grievances and related to contact violation that haven't been resolved by the broadcasters or broadcaster or network operators and within other specific time frames, and they will also handles appeals filed and by the complainant and against the decisions and made by the broadcasters or network operators and provide guidance and the advertises to their the member to ensure the compliances with the broadcasting rules. Grievances and redressals officers. Accessibilities for the person and with the disabilities by introducing features and by adding the subtitles and audio descriptions and for the words for the blinds and sign language and translations and using the accessibility applications and contact the evaluation committees and CEC for adherences and to the programs and code and the advertisement code to be established by every broadcasters or the broadcastings and network operation with members and from the various social groups and including women's and child welfare schedules caste and schedules tribes and monitoring and the others as specific and the discloses and CEC and members information on their website and programs and certified by the CEC can only be the aired expected for the specific programs and expected by the government. Thus provision will come and into the effective 180 days and after the act. Inceptions and the central government and it's the authorized officer have the rights and to the impact and thus the networks and survives and companies and there's the responsible individuals and can be held liable for the contraventions and unless they prove lack of the knowledge or due the diligence and the penalties can be adversely advisory census and the warnings and the monetary penalties and non-compliance and with the programs and advertisement code can result in removals of the objections and programs and orders the apologies of air period or cancellations of registrations. The government can also prohibits program or operation for public interest or the national security reasons. There are provision for imprisonment and or fines for other new serious offences. The quantums of the monetary penalties and the fine are dependent on the financial capacities of the entity or individuals. 11. Infrastructure sharing platform services and right of way. The bill also include provision for the infrastructure sharing among the broadcasting network operators and carriage of platforms services and further it's the stimulus the right of way section and to address the relocations and alterations more efficiency and establish the other structural and dispute resolution mechanism provision for emerging and futures broadcasting technologies. It is empowered the central government to make the provision application to broadcasting network and that use new technologies and method if the networks and meet certain the criteria and like the exciting broadcasting network and operates and as the systematic business and professionals journalistic or commercial activities and concern raised erasure on the selective representations. The bill could lead and to the erasures or selective representation of Indian minorities and communities and might the influences how the minorities communities are the poor tried in broadcasting potentially shaping a dominant narratives ultimate powers to authorized officers. और अगर कहीं घूमने भी अगर ऐसे भी गई है ना government influences over the regulations and might the impact on the contact innovation in the regulatory process and the independence of the authorized and officer working under the government direction. Decisions of the authorized officers could be the influences by the government in power and could comprises the impartialities and of the decisions related to programs prohibitions. Government control over decisions and infrastructures may affect the autonomy. The bill gives the government and too much control over the digital infrastructures and what people can watch, promotings and media's ownerships by other few big companies and printings the regime and as the OTT and contact are the regulated under the bills and the government may brings the printings and regime for OTT and contact as it has the done and for the television channels. Levy's models. Levy's models in India. However, the Levy's model did not play an out the similarity in India and agriculture employs about the two-thirds of the India and workforces till the early 1990s and the share falls from the 64.6%. Hey, Pittu. 6% to 48.9% and between the 1993 and 1994 and 2011 and 2012. But not much of it and was due to the manufacturings and whose share in employment and rose the marginalized and from the 10.4% to the 12.6% during this period. The subsequent period has seen the farm sectors and share in the country and employed labor forces and first drops somewhat and slowly to the low of the 42.5% in the 2018 and 19 and then increased to the 45.6% and 46.5% in the following two COVID impacted year. Levy's models in 1954 and the Saint Lucians economist Williams and authors and Lewis who won a the Nobel in the economics and wrote on the hug industrializations and possibilities for underdevelopment countries and having and the ultimate unlimited supply of labor available at the subsistences and wages. The marginal productivity of such labors engaged in sectors like the agriculture was negligible and zero or even negative. Basically there the withdrawals and from the farms and would far from the reducing and agricultural output make the exciting holdings and more the vehicles and for the productivities and enhances mechanism. Levy's influences easy economic development with the ultimately supply of labor who held at that and the expanding manufacturing. The capitalist and sector could observe much of the surplus labor in agriculture and other subsistence sectors and all it had to do and was pay and wages and just high the enough and to make men and leaves the families farms in this way and knew the industries can be created or old the industries and expanded without limit and as per the levies and industrialization was inevitable and for inevitables and four countries and with the surplus labors and population. He specifically and mentioned India, the only bottleneck, and to this the seamless transfer of labor from the farms to the factories and their capital and the natural resources. Thus the countries and lacked the relatives to their the population. China is the perfect example of the Levy's model from the late in 1917 and to the 2000 as the China utilized its the demographic graphic dividend a large pool of the surplus rural laborers to the become the bulk factory. The current 45 to 0.8% and share as per the periodic labors force survey and PLFS and report for the 2022 and 23 July June is still higher than the pre-pandemic labors. At the same time, there is other deep in manufacturing shares from the 2011 and 12 high of the 12.6% and to the 11.4% in 2022 decline trend in fact and precedented and the pandemics, so much so that and these sectors now employs less than even the work from in conductions 13% and trade hostels and restaurated 12.1% in employment. In the latter two factors is pretty much similar to agricultural and low marginal productivity. Productivity output and per the workers and informals and paying just above sustenance and wages. Simple put, the structure transformations and that the necessaries is the transfer of surplus labor from subsistences and to the capitalist and sectors that the Levis talked about the hasn't really played out in India. Instead, the movement of labor has been largely happening and with the subsistences sectors. The job being generated outside agriculture are the mostly in low paid services and constructions, not in the manufacturing and high productivity services for gig workers and buses, IT professions and state levels scenarios. Manufacturing shares in employment is below that of construction and services for the state and with the high percentage of workforce engagement in farming. Even for less agriculture dependent state the level force in the services and in 2 से लेके 3 times or more than in manufacturing. The expectations is in Gujarat. क्या कर रहा अब? Is Gujarat in nearly 24% of its the workforce and more than the twice the nation averages is employed in manufacturing, which is the almost as much as in the services. In Gujarat is the only state and that the seems to the conform closest to the Levy's models of labor shifting from the farm to factories, yet the proportions of its the workers and in agriculture is much higher than for the Punjab, Haryana, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and even West Bengal. And less services sectors dependent would be the more appropriate descriptions. For Gujarat, way ahead. Manufacturing is turning increasingly and capital intensive and with the deployment of the both labor savings and the labor displacing technologies such as the robotics, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Thus, it is important to the rethink and the whole model of labor transitions from the agriculture to industry. The Niti Aayog is working on the new economics development model for India. And exploring and the score for remunerative job creations in and the around agriculture itself. Such jobs needn't and be on the farms and but outside it in the aggregations and granting, packaging and transporting, processing and bar housing and the retailings of produce or the supply of the inputs and services to farmers. The use of the grain and sugarcane and oil seed as the biofuels is already growing, but so can The crop stables and receipts that the farmers are now burning in the field. There is also rising demand for the bio-based and products in the form of cosmetics and medicines, buildings materials and polymers and specialties, chemicals, insecticides and the fertilizer. All thus can be the next big employment and areas and outside the eight linked to the farm. India failing farms and export. The Department of Commerce has reported and that the exported of farms and communities and have the decline into the 23.6 billions in April and September 2023 from 26.7 billions in April September 2022. There has been other drop in imports as well from the 19.3 billions to 16.4 billions, and this has led to the marginally dip in the agricultures and trade surplus. Exports and mines important from the 7.4 billions in April September 2022 to 7.2 billion in April September 2023. The country farms exports touch all times and highs of the 50.2 billions in 2021 and 22 April March and 53.2 billions and 22 to 23 reversing a declining trend and from the 2013 and 14 to the 2020 and 21 and 22 and 22 and 23 also so recorded important of the 32.4 billions and 35.7 billions respectively. The current fiscals in either sense marks are the return to the normal with both export and import registering contractions and important of global price. India farms trade, especially exports, is strongly correlated and with the world prices. The UN Food and Agriculture Organization FAO food price expenditure FPI rose from an average of the 96.5 point in 2019 and 20 to the 133 point in the 2021 and 22 and 139.5 point in 2022 and 23. In the current fiscal from the April till and October 2023, the FPI has the averages 123.2 crore point and India agricultural export trend to follow movement in the FPI and which is other weightage average of the international prices of other basket of food commodities over other base period value taken at the 100 for the 2014 and 16. Thus they fell from the 43.3 billions and in 2013 and 14 to the 35.6 billions in 2019 and 20 along with the FPI and from the 119.1 and 96.5 point and rose with the index rising the unprecedented level in 2022 and 23 with world prices since coming down the value of both export and import of farms commodities and from the into India are set to the decline in 2020, 23 and 24. This comes even as the supply disruptions and from the Russia-Ukraine war has import of export cups. The second reason for failing and farms exports is related to the government and bans on or restrictions on shipmented in the response and to the domestic availability and the implementations and concern turn. And in May 2022 and 2022 and the government banned and important export of the wheat from the countries in the September 2022 and export. एक मिनट इधर आजा In July 2023, export of the white non-basmati rice and where the band altogether and the henceforth only export of the parboiled and non-basmati and the basmati rice were allowed. In August 2023, the 20% duty was applied on the export price MEP and curb. Besides wheat and rice, in May 2022, and sugar exports were moved from the free to restricted and category and the kept the totals and qualities and that the could go during any years. Since May 2023 and export and have the stopped and completely with no the fresh quotas and for the shipmented and being issued. Double impact decline international prices not only the lower the cost and the competitiveness and of the country and agricultural export and but also make it's the farmers and more the vulnerable and to the exports and this is being and the witnessed in the cotton and the radicals oil and beneficiaries. Witness in cotton and the illegal oil and benchmark global price for cotton. For cotton is the correctly and quanting and it the 91.80% and per the pound and the compared to other high of the 173.45 cents and attained in the May 2022. The price craze and has the lead and to India and cotton experts and not only and the plummetings and from the 2.8 billion. 2.8 billions and in the 2021 and 22 and to the 781 and 0.4 billions to 2022 and 23, but also the important surgings and 2.5 times and from the 559 and 0.6 billions and to the 1.4 billions. The transformation from other net exporters to net importers is rejected in the price of the Capas, Rowan and the Guinness cottons. Thus are ruling and rate it is 7,100 per and the quantals in the locals market now and as market as against and the rate and the 9,000 and 9,010 a year ago and either 12,000. सानू खोल रही है 12,000 plus in May 2022. The value of the India edibles oil important and more than the doubled and from the 9.7 billions. 9.7 billions and to the 20.8 billions and between the 2019 and 20 and 2022 and 23. This was primarily and due to the rising global prices and particularly and post the war in Ukraine. Prices have since the collapse and but important of the crude plums and the soybean and the sunflowers and oil are the still coming in it is a low 5.5 duties. Topic: new flare up in the Myanmar. Ministry of the External Affairs has expressed and deep the concern over the ongoing fightings in the Rakhine and areas in Myanmar, China's and state. The area is close to the borders and with the India opposite and the Jokhathar in Mizoram. This fighting has led into the Myanmaris and nationals crossing to the Indian side. Background ongoing and the fighting. Fighting in the Rakhine areas, Myanmar has been in the flames and even since the military cession powers on the February 1, 2021. Ethnic Armed Organization EAOs have the joint armed citizens and joint called the People's and Defense Forces and PDFs and to and the take on the military, and thus the groups have alliance with the country's self-declared national unities and government in exile. Thus resistance and forces has the captured and to the towns close to the India-Myanmar's border after the furious fighting. The fall of the Rakhine has resulted in the influx of some 5,000 refugees into Mizoram. The current round of the fighting. It began on the October 27. The current round of fightings. It began on the October 27th and with the surprise and attack in the Shan state in North Myanmar and along the borders with China. China by the three and Brotherhood and alliances. The alliance is at the front of the three EAOs. Myanmar National Democratic and Alliance Armies and MNDAA and the Tang National Liberalization Army and Arakan's Army. The offensive and was named an Operation 1027 after the date on which it was launched, and the resistance and force are the reported and to have the overruns and more than 100 military outposts and in the Shan state and Seong control of the crucial borders, town and checkpoint. This includes and the Chinsa Way is the critical and point on the China-Myanmar's border trade route and which is and the important sources of revenue for the junta. Fighting has also broken out and the elsewhere and in the country and led by the various local resistance forces. Current situation is different from the protest and the fighting of the last 2 years. Fierce multi-pronged and resistance. The ongoing multi-pronged and offensive by the resistance force is seen as the satisfact and challenges to the junta scenes and the cope. More than 2.5 years ago, members of the Myanmar's armies and police are the surroundings. Among those who fled to Mizoram and after the Rakhine and was the captured and by the China and fighters and were the 73 members of the Myanmar army and police and rebel groups and have the claimed and that the members of the junta forces and has surrounded elsewhere too. Coordinations and among the various rebels and groups what and the distinguishes the current offense is the unprecedented levels of the coordinate and among the various levels and groups and the inabilities and of the militaries and to the mount and the adequate response and support from the China's and the restriction in Shan state appears and to be the receivings and the tacit support from China's Myanmar and Ghana and neighboring and biggest trade partners. China has been the pressing the military and government to crack down on the enclaves of the schemes and center on the Myanmar-China borders, which have been targeting and the China citizens. impact on India's and creating a balance, and India has so far can work a the fine line between the expressing and concern at the entrepreneurs of the democracy in Myanmar and engaging with the juntas and to protect its vital interest and refugees and influx. In the current and situations, the immediate and concern for India is the influx of Myanmarese and nationals in the border state of the northeast, and as of the November 2023 over the 2000 peoples from the Myanmars have crossed into India Mizoram state, and this to eight a time, and when the situation in Manipur remains volatile, and capturing of two important towns by the rebels and the anti-juntas forces, and have the capture to the important towns close to the only two border crossing point and between the Myanmar and China, India's, and there are the Rikhadars and close to the Jobanthar and in the Mizoram, and the Khampat in the Saging regions, and around the 60 kilometers from the Mirod in Manipur. The latter Kampath is also the part of the proposed in India, Myanmar, Thailand and trilaterals and highway project. US-China summit. The bilateral and summits and between the US President Joe Biden and the Chinese leaders and 11th and Jinping was held in the San Francisco on the margins of the Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation APEC. The United States is the host of the APEC for the 2023, and this the summit is the significant amidst and the rising tensions between the two countries, and the two leaders had not met in person, and since they had talks in the Valley in November 2022, their relations and nose divide after the United States shot down and the allies and Chinese spy and balloons in the February this year. Key outcomes: commitment to the closures and communications, and both the leaders have the agreed and to resume the military communication in and the effort to ease rising tensions. Both sides and also they decided to open other presidential hotlines step to the tackles the flow of fentanyls and into the US, which has the contributed to the rise in overdose and death in the country. Fentanyls and is other powerful synthetics and opioid analgesic, and that is the similar to the morphine but is the 50 to the 100 times and more potent, and Chinese manufacturing companies and are other source, and not only of the synthetic and opioid and itself but of the precursor chemicals, and which can be the combined and to make the fentanyls under the deal, and China's and build the directly targeted companies, and that are the producing and those the precursors and chemicals on artificial intelligence, and the two leaders also the agreed and to get the expert together to discuss the risk of the artificial intelligence depend cooperation on climates change ahead of the COP28 and the conferences in Dubai. US and China's and truce and India. India has little reasons to worry, and although there are the always concern in India about the G2 or the Sino-Americans collaborations in Asia, and however the current summit was more about the organizing a truths in other conflictuals and relationships, and it is the aims and was not to restore and the kind of the strategic partnerships, and that the seemed and possible at the turn of the centuries. India honored and rise in the international system and allows and it is to the effectively and handle any the sudden shift in the great powers relations area where India and need to the pay close the attention to the some of the new areas of US China's and engagement, and such as the regulating and artificial intelligence potentials. US China understanding are the bond to have a major impact over the long terms and on the evolutions of the global rules on AL, and need to the focus on the productings and engagement and with the western capitals the Indian government and business, and must note the serious and bid by the president 11th and 2 who woke the US business and leaders and India cannot beat the that the China options is no longer viable for the Western business or get complacent about the India and attractiveness and the productivities. Engagement with the Western capitals and should remains at the high priorities and for the Delhi vigilant and easy on the regional and security and issues, and India will also need to the monitoring the follow up on from the conversations between the two leaders on the regional and security issues in the Indo-Pacific, the current crisis in the Middle East and Ukraine war in Europe. Asia Pacific Economic Corporation APEC. It is other regionals and economic forum and was the formed in 1989 and IM leverage the growing interdependence of the Asia Pacific and create the greater prosperities and for the peoples of the region and through regionals economic integrations. The focus of the APEC has been on the trade and economic issues and hence in terms it terms the countries as economies. It has been operating on the basis of the non-binding commitments and with the decisions and taken through commitment and the consensus undertaken on other voluntary basic member countries, and currently the APEC has 21 member and the criterion member countries. Currently APEC has 21 countries members and the criterion for the memberships and however is that and each members must be under independence economic entity and rather than other sovereign state. The grouping current members and are the Australia, Brunei, Hong Kong and New Zealand and Papua New Guinea and Philippines, Indonesia, China, Japan, South Korea, Russia, Canada, United States, Mexico, Peru, Chile and Malaysia and Vietnam, Singapore, Thailand and Taiwan. Significance of the APEC. Since its formations, the grouping and champions and the lowerings of trade and tariffs and free trade and economic liberalizations in the soil. Declarations of 1991 and APEC, the members and economies proclaimed the creations of other liberalizations and free trade areas and around the Pacific Rims and is the principles and objectives of the organizations and India's willingness and to the join the APEC groupings. India, which presently has the observers and status, has been very keen to the keep the economic grouping as other full members. India has expressed an interested in joining the APEC and the made other formal requested in the 1991. The request to join was the based on the India and geographical location and the potential size of the economic and the degree of trade interactions and with the Asia Pacific. India needs APEC become the strength of the grouping and the grouping representation more than a third of the world and population, 47% of the global trade and 62% of the world GDP, and aspirations of India and India aspirates and to becomes other 5 trillions and economic and the required and 1 trillion for investment in infrastructures and outside the best Europe's and most of the capital surplus and nations and are in the Asia Pacific which can the coins and India thrust and for the investment and the national corollaries and to the act East policy. India has already become other member of the SU and joining the APEC is another natural corollary and to the act East policy of India and the why is India and not other part of the APEC grouping, and although the many members have been in favor of the inclusions of India and some opposed the ideas claims that it has protectionism and the instinct and APEC the group guidings and motives was to the resist and the protectionism and policies by the members states and the promotion of the trade liberalization within the affiliated and Asia Pacific Economic. Why that the descriptions India did not seem to fit in the main impediment and apparently and has been the oppositions of some and participated and who have held an India record on the economic reforms and WTO engagement and to be the unsatisfactory and the unworthy of the meritings and inclusion as other member in the grouping. Another reason for not making India part of the grouping was the membership fees and which comes into force in 1997 and however it was not extended in 2012. A majority of the members and now the believe in that India must be the brought into the fold and for it has the shown and programs in the reforming either liberalizing its the economic conclusion granting India membership status and may also and act as other catalyst for trade reform among the emerging agency economics. Moreover, India maritimes and the strength and strong the strategic relations with the regions and measure the powers and could be the used to the brings and strategic balance within the grouping. Proposed India UK free and trade agreement FTA.